Girls, today we are going to learn about plotting the decimal numbers on the number line. We learnt about number line even in the last term. We learnt how to plot integers on the number line, right? So now we are going to plot some decimal numbers on the number line. We learnt a decimal number is a number that have a whole number part or an integer part and a decimal part. This is the whole number part or the integer part of the decimal number, and this is the decimal part of the decimal number. Okay, so to plot a number on the number line, to plot a decimal number, first you have to check the integral part. The integral part is 1. So it is clear that the number will come, the decimal number will come by 1. Okay, so the whole number part is 1, and then you have to check the decimal part. Then it is 2, right? 0.2. So after 1, the decimal part, the 0.2 will come after 2 places. Okay, after 1 only, it is clear that after 1 only we have to mark the decimal number. That means you have to mark the decimal number. If it is 1 point something, you have to mark the decimal number after 1, before 2. So the decimal number should comes between 1 and 2. Okay, so for example, now 2.5. Okay, so first you have to check the integral part. Integral part is 2. So the decimal number should come after 2. So between 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 na 2 ku appuram 3 ku munnadi. Okay, so 2.5 means this number should comes between 2 and 3. Okay, so here it is now after checking the integral part, you have to check the decimal part. Now the decimal part is 5, right? 0.5. So you have to divide the places. You have to divide the places between 2 and 3. Between two natural numbers, you have to divide the place into 10 equal parts, So 0.5 means it is the midpoint, fifth line between 2 and 3. Okay, so 4.9 means the ninth after 4, the ninth line between 4 and 5. Okay, these are the few examples. So between these two, 1 and 2, first you divide, you mark the center point. Okay, and it is only 0.5. That is 1.5. This place is 1.5. So 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and it is 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, and it is 1.9. Now it is 2. This is how the numbers will be marked between the two lines. These are the examples for decimal numbers. Now we are going to plot few decimal numbers on the number line. This is marked 3.5 in the number line. So 3.5. From this number you are able to know that this number comes between which two numbers? 3 and 4. This number 3.5 will comes between 3 and 4. So this is 3 and 4. 0.5 means the fifth line. In your scale also you can see. Usually the fifth line is little bit longer when compared to the other lines, right? So the fifth line, the mid line between 3 and 4. So the center line, you mark this line and write 3.5 in it. Okay, so now I am going to mark 2.3 in this number line. So 2.3, to 2.3 means the number should comes between 2 and 3. 2.3, 2 kapra varno. So the third line, first mark the midpoint, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2.3 means the third line. This is 2.1, it is 2.2 and it is 2.3. So this is 2.3 on the number line. Okay, so 0.8. 0.8 means that number should comes between 0 and 1. Right? So you have to divide the numbers, the places between 0 and 1, and it is 0.5. So 0.1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 0.8 means the 8th smallest line between 0 and 1. This is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 and this is 0.8. This is 0.8. Okay. So 1.1. 1.1 means after 1 it will come. So after 1 the first smallest line, and this is 1.1. Okay, and 4.2, that means the second smallest line after 4 is known as 4.2. So 3.9, that means you have to divide the numbers between 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts, and it is 5. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And this is our 3.9, or you can write here it is only 3.9. Okay, this is how we mark the numbers, the decimal numbers in the number line.